My name is Joel Slider. I'm the Conservatory Director for the Palos Verdes Performing Arts and the Norris Theater. We have classes for youth. We're a conservatory. We do weddings and we do rentals. Tonight is our mini stage production of Annie Jr., which is our younger kids. Our electricity bill is huge because of all the lighting that we have on the stage to light the performers. Taking that bill off of our plate would just be an immense help because we have to raise so much money as it is. The solar panels are really going to help us. We went with Harness because we thought they were a great company. My boss and our team, just their background and what they've done for other companies in the past, and we just thought that they would be a great fit for us as well. After COVID happened and we were shut down for a while, we did need to figure out new ways where we could cut back money, and solar was a great example and a great answer to helping us with that. By getting solar, obviously it's going to help our bills and it's going to help us be able to spend that money elsewhere. Maybe it'll help us get something for the theater that we weren't anticipating. Maybe have more classes for the youth. Maybe it's putting on another show in the year to bring more people into the theater. The Norris Theater is a love of mine. I've been working here for almost 12 years now, and it's just a passion that I have to help the next generation of youth love the arts, and I just want to pass that on to other people. If somebody is considering to get solar, I would say do it in a heartbeat. It would just make things easier for you. Again, it would allow you to spend money elsewhere, maybe where it's needed, and it's just a smart thing to do.
The director of the PPTA Conservatory, Joel.
That's me.